When someone dictates what you can or cannot learn, that is not education, it is indoctrination. Education implies exposure, exploration, and the freedom to pursue understanding wherever it leads. Indoctrination narrows knowledge by design, deciding in advance what is permissible to know and what must remain inaccessible. Under such conditions, the education system does not cultivate independent thinkers. It produces compliant worker drones trained to operate within predefined limits. Education expands inquiry. Indoctrination constrains it. One produces minds capable of revision, dissent, and original thought, while the other produces functional compliance. Self-directed learning naturally fosters critical thinking, creativity, and autonomy because it treats the individual as an active participant rather than a passive recipient. It allows people to pursue areas of knowledge that genuinely interest them, instead of forcing everyone into a narrow curriculum that cannot think beyond what it has been permitted to learn. Independent learners often arrive at conclusions that challenge existing power structures without being instructed to do so. That is precisely why permission-based knowledge systems exist at all.